Hi everybody, my name is Eva and I'll be your sugar makeup expert for today. Today I will be showing you one product makeup hack. Yes, you heard it right, one product makeup hack. So let's begin. I will be using Suede Secret Matte Lip Color in the shade of 02 Plush Pink. I will be using this product on 3 areas of my face. So let's begin with the eyes first. I will dot this lipstick on my eyelids first. Then, with the help of my finger, I will blend it with very little pressure. Do you know guys, this lipstick is made in Italy? And as you can see, it is also multi-purpose. And now, I will be applying this same product on the apple of my cheeks. And then blend it with the finger. It blends very easily. And this lipstick also consists of jojoba oil and shea butter. That's why it is moisturizing and smooth. Now, moving on to the lips. This lipstick is long lasting and has great range of shades. I hope you loved this look. Like, share and subscribe Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. Bye.